So here we're going to divide complex numbers and write the final answer in the standard form, a plus bi. So in the denominator, we have a complex number 3 minus 2i. We're going to multiply and divide with what is called the complex conjugate. So that's 3 plus 2i. Notice the only difference between these two is the sign. So here we have divided by 3 plus 2i, so we need to also multiply with the exact same number. So we are not changing the meaning of the expression. So this is equal to 5 times 3 plus 2i divided by 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i. So a plus b times a minus b is a squared minus b squared. It's a difference of squares. So it's 3 squared minus 2i the whole squared. Now all we have to do is simplify this expression. So the numerator is 15. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 times 2, 10i divided by 9 minus 2i the whole squared is 2 squared I squared. So that is 4i squared. So this is equal to 15 plus 10i divided by 9 minus 4 times, and remember I is the square root of -1, so I squared is -1. So that is -1. So that is 15 plus 10i divided by 9 plus 4. So that's 15 plus 10i divided by 9 plus 4, which is 13. Now we have to write it in the standard form. So we write it as 15 over 13 plus 10 over 13i. So that's in the form a plus bi.